Whether you're new to meditation or you already have a sense of your own awareness and want to explore it more deeply, this is a simple way to come back into direct experience of what's already here and more of what's available to you. You can use this on its own or before your regular meditative practice. Let's take a moment to tune into an expanded awareness of who we are and our connection to all of creation. Take a moment to settle in, spine upright, feet grounded, hands resting on your lap, palms facing upward, one hand gently resting in the other, the tips of your thumbs touching. And take a deep breath and let go of the day. Let go of your definitions of who you are and simply be right here, right now. Now allow your attention to gently move down into the center of your body, what you perceive as your core, that quiet space of inner knowing, your inner agency, your divine soul. Not as something to believe, but something to recognize. Rest your awareness there and allow the idea that at your core exists infinite intelligence, omniscient wisdom, omnipotent unconditional love. It's not something you reach for, it's something you are. If it helps, you can imagine this as a warm golden sphere of light at your center. Soft, steady, alive. And now, allow that light to expand, filling your abdomen. Your body softens. Filling your torso, your breath deepens. Filling your chest, your shoulders release. Up through your neck, your jaw softens. Into your head, and if you notice any tension, just allow it to move. No resistance. You're recalibrating to the idea of unconditional love. Let the light continue down your arms, into your hands, down through your legs, into your feet, until your entire body is gently illuminated from within. And now, simply rest here. And within yourself, repeat gently, I am. Nothing added, nothing defined, just I am. Now, using your imagination, sense that this light is flowing from infinity within you, filling your center, and beginning to rise into your heart. Let your heart expand. And now, feel gravity, the support of the earth beneath you, not as something separate, but as a relationship, a constant embrace, reminding you that you are supported. Bring awareness to this connection, to the earth, to nature, to all living systems that sustain your body. And allow appreciation to arise. Not forced, just noticed. Now, let that light from your center flow up into your heart. Spill over and move down through your body into the very core of the earth itself, offering gratitude. Thank you. And now feel it return, rising back up through you, like roots drawing nourishment. Let it move through your body and expand outward, as if you were flowering, radiating, not separate from the earth, but an extension of it. Rest here. Allow your nervous system to register this more deeply. Now, gently return your awareness to your center, that quiet core, that inner knowing beyond definitions. And now expand your awareness outward, beyond your body, beyond the earth, into a vast universe that's alive, intelligent, filled with forms of life and light beyond what the mind can fully grasp. Let your awareness open and allow this light from within you to rise through your heart, up through the top of your head, expanding into the greater field of existence, the heavens. And now let your light extend upward and outward, touching the vastness of creation, and gently allow it to surround the earth's crystalline grid, touching all living things, including all of us here in the human form. Let it come back into your heart, back to your center. Now remember, part of the human experience is forgetting who we are and then remembering. So return once more to that quiet center within you. And we'll take 3 breaths. With each inhale, you'll draw this light from infinity within into your heart. And on the 3rd exhale, you'll release it outward to the far reaches of known existence and beyond. Inhale. Hold it in your heart. Exhale. Inhale. Hold it in your heart. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale, sending it outward fully. And now rest and allow it to return to you. And recognize you are not separate from creation. Your body exists within consciousness, not the other way around. And from this center, you live from the inside outward, not waiting for the world to tell you who you are, but expressing who you are into the world. Your beliefs shape perception. Perception shapes emotion. Emotion shapes action, and repeated action becomes your reality. And at any moment, you can shift it by simply seeing it and making a new choice of how you want to explore expressing yourself in this human experience. This is the activation of your awareness of the light that moves through you. The more you recognize it, the more freely you move through life, with clarity, with ease, with joy. So for now, just sit with yourself and move forward following what feels natural, what feels true, what feels alive. Because infinite intelligence, unconditional love, and the energy of creation itself is already flowing through you. Always. You are free to choose how you experience it. If this meditation supported you, you're welcome to subscribe and return whenever it feels right.